Congratulations for finishing level A1. I think you're amazing that you've reached this far. Few people do the effort and continue till the end. You have gone through the A1 book page by page, but you missed a page from each chapter, which is as important as the other pages. كلمة listesi, or what is known as the word list. This page contains all the verbs, nouns, and expressions used in all of the chapters. And because this page is very important, what I did is I created a PDF file that consists all of these words. This is not all. You will find these Turkish words translated to English, plus an example sentence for each word, both in English and Turkish. This PDF file consists of 740 words and sentences. If you want to check it out, click on the link below this video.